Hi guys, welcome back to my video. How are you guys doing? So my name is Arita if you are stopping here for the first time, and if you are not, welcome back. And in today's video I want to be showing you guys the best lip combo, and it's for all skin types. Okay, so sit back and enjoy this video. It's gonna be a very short one. Okay, let's go. Hi there. Okay, let's get into it. So before we start with the lips, make sure you moisturize your lips to give you that plump feeling on your lips as well. And you're going to be needing two things for this lip combo. You'll be needing a nude lipstick and lip gloss, or you can just use one that has a tube and a brown pencil, and then we'll just jump right into it. So I will be lining my lips with a brown pencil. Guys, this is the same brown pencil I use for my brows, so it actually matches my skin tone. So you can actually get the one that matches your skin tone as well, or you can just use this, like any skin color can, any skin tone can actually use this particular brown lip liner combo, because this thing is fire, is a game changer. So like, I'm just lining my lips, I'm making sure like I line it in a way that it just gives my lips like this plump look. You know, if you can see, like it's just giving it this plump luscious look. And you know, just getting into it, brushing it over my lips, doing like the pencil. If you can see, my lips are like, I had to clean off the gloss to make it a bit more dry, so that the lip pencil will be a bit more pigmented. And I'll just go in with my hand and just smudge that lip liner to just give it a more subtle edge, not so harsh, right? Then I'm going in with my lip gloss. This lip gloss is actually tinted, as you can see, like it's nude, it's pigmented, and I don't need to do so much. I don't need to use the lipstick, because if I didn't have this, I would have probably used the nude lipstick and then I'll go over with a clear gloss, right? But I didn't need to do that, so I'm just dapping that up again and just making it look more luscious and plump. And then I'm just blending out the parts that look a bit harsh with my finger, and I'm going in again to just top it up, you get, so that it just looks luscious, baby. And it's looking so amazing. And there you have it, guys. This lip combo is fire. Like, when I say fire, like anybody wearing this lip combo can just in fact, it can even take your man. But I'm not going to say I will but if I wanted to, I could, but that's not what we're going to do. So see, I'm just feeling myself, like, because I know that this girl is a baddie, this girl is a 10/10. This lip gloss took me from 0 to 100 real quick. Like, if I show you before and after, you will not believe it. So yeah, I'm feeling myself. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned one or two things from this video. Okay, don't forget, this video was a lip combo that goes for all skin types, so anybody can actually try it. So make sure you do well to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and please share this video with someone who would actually benefit from this video. Okay, yes, let's keep growing the community, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, I love you guys. Stay good. Bye.